Among the numerous issues of road safety, the visibility of road markings is commonly overlooked, yet it holds a critical position. As the sun dips below the horizon, as fog seeps in, or rain cascades down, the luminosity of these markings turns into a guiding light, steering us securely on our voyage. These markings are enhanced by a unique process that brings the embedded glass beads to the surface, rejuvenating their reflectivity, and thus making our paths glow even brighter. Imagine Smets Technology's groundbreaking solution, an ultra-high-pressure technique that revitalizes road markings. Envision this, strategy that's robust, yet so accurate, it rejuvenates the encapsulated glass beads and thermoplastic markings, amplifying their reflectiveness. It's not merely about making them noticeable, it's about transforming them into radiant, gleaming paths on the highways of existence. This innovative approach brings to the fore 5 key benefits. It enhances safety, ensuring that every journey, whether in the heart of a city or along a winding country road, is a secure one. It's a nod to sustainability, future-proofing our roads without causing undue harm to the environment. It's economically wise, reducing the need for frequent repainting and thus saving resources. It's a leap forward in industry standards, setting a new benchmark for how we think about and approach road safety. Also, this technology thoroughly cleans cold plastic markings to increase their reflectivity, adding an extra layer of safety for nighttime drivers. Reflectivity thresholds aren't just numbers on a page, they are lifelines for those who traverse our roads. By focusing on thermoplastic markings with embedded glass beads, Smets Technology is ensuring that these lifelines are as bright and visible as they need to be. The world of road safety is evolving, and Smets Technology is at the forefront of this revolution. It's about more than just surface cleaning equipment, it's about creating a safer world, one road at a time. So step into the future with Smets Technology. Discover more on our website and join the journey towards safer roads, because everyone deserves a safe journey home.